Healthy living on a budget. Have you ever considered how it's possible to maintain a lifestyle of health and wellness without breaking the bank? The pursuit of a healthy life can sometimes feel daunting, especially when it seems that healthy options come with a hefty price tag. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of healthy living on a budget, we delve into the art of balancing your well-being while being mindful of your financial resources. Get ready to embark on a journey that unveils the secrets of how to make smart choices, prioritize health, and cultivate a life of wellness without straining your wallet, leaving you curious about the possibilities of a budget-friendly, health-conscious lifestyle. 1. The universal pursuit of health. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the universal desire for health and well-being. It's a desire that transcends financial constraints. 2. Budget-friendly nutrition. Nutrition is a cornerstone of health. We'll explore cost-effective ways to maintain a balanced diet that doesn't compromise on nutrients. 3. The value of meal planning. Meal planning is a strategic tool for budget-friendly eating. We'll discuss the benefits of planning your meals, reducing food waste, and saving money. 4. Affordable fitness options. Staying active is key to health. We'll delve into cost-effective ways to incorporate exercise into your daily routine, from home workouts to outdoor activities. 5. The power of home cooking. Cooking at home not only saves money but also allows you to control the ingredients in your meals. We'll explore the joys of home cooking and its financial benefits. 6. Prioritizing preventive health. Preventive healthcare can save money in the long run. We'll discuss the importance of regular checkups and early intervention. 7. Affordable stress management. Mental health is an integral part of wellness. We'll explore cost-effective ways to manage stress and promote emotional well-being. 8. The thrifty path to wellness. In conclusion, healthy living on a budget is a testament to the fact that health is not a luxury, it's a right. It's not just about affordability, it's about prioritizing and nurturing your well-being, even when resources are limited. As we embark on this journey into the world of healthy living on a budget, you'll discover that living a health-conscious life doesn't require a vast bank account. It's a journey of empowerment, making the most of the resources at hand, and realizing that wellness can be achieved on any budget. Get ready to embrace a life of health, balance, and financial well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.